Are you passionate about aviation and hospitality? Dreaming of a career that combines the thrill of the aviation industry with the art of exceptional service? A BBA in Aviation and Hospitality Management might just be your perfect starting point. Career opportunities. A BBA in Aviation and Hospitality Management opens doors to exciting roles in two of the most dynamic industries. Imagine yourself working as Airport Manager, overseeing airport operations and ensuring smooth customer experiences. Airline Operations Manager, coordinating schedules, flights, and logistics seamlessly. Hotel or Resort Manager, bringing the best in hospitality to life. Ground Staff Supervisor, managing teams and ensuring efficiency on the ground. Customer Service Executive, representing the brand and delivering excellence. The program blends theoretical insights with practical training, including internships, workshops, and case studies, so you will graduate with the skills employers need. Eligibility for BBA in Aviation and Hospitality Management. Worried about eligibility? Don't be. This program is designed to be accessible to a wide range of students. Minimum qualification: completion of 10+2 in any stream, science, commerce, or arts. Some universities may require entrance exams or personal interviews to assess your aptitude and passion for the field. Top colleges offering BBA in Aviation and Hospitality Management in India. The curriculum offered by top colleges is structured to ensure a thorough understanding of core areas like airline and airport management, hospitality operations and customer service, aviation safety and security, tourism and event management, business communication and marketing. You'll gain hands-on experience with internships and live projects that prepare you to excel in real-world scenarios. Course structure, duration, and fees. Typically, the BBA in Aviation and Hospitality Management spans 3 years, divided into 6 semesters. Fees: the program can cost anywhere between 1,50,000 rupees and 5 lakhs rupees, depending on the institute and its facilities. Don't let financial concerns hold you back. There are scholarships and financial aid options to support you. Scholarships to pursue BBA in Aviation and Hospitality Management. Many colleges offer scholarships to help students focus on their education, such as merit-based scholarships for students with strong academic records, need-based scholarships for students from economically disadvantaged backgrounds, specialized scholarships for women, empowering women to excel in aviation and hospitality. These scholarships can significantly reduce your tuition fees and make quality education affordable. Popular employers in aviation and hospitality. Graduates from this program are in high demand across leading organizations. Here's where you could land your dream job. Airlines like Indigo, Vistara, and Air India. Global hotel chains like Taj Hotels, Marriott, and Hilton. Event management companies, tourism boards, and luxury travel agencies. Starting salaries? They range from 4 lakhs rupee to 8 lakhs rupee per annum, with potential for rapid growth based on your performance. Why wait? Start your journey today. The aviation and hospitality sectors are growing exponentially, and there's never been a better time to start your career. Compare top colleges and their offerings. Check eligibility and scholarships to find the best fit. Connect directly with institutes to get all your questions answered. Your dream of a career that takes you places literally and figuratively is just a decision away. So, no more waiting. Visit sulekha.com to know all the top colleges, compare their fees, go through reviews, and start your flying career today. Your dream career in the air is just one click away. Click the link in the description to get started.